G'day Facebook, Tristan here. As many of you know, I have a YouTube channel called Turbo Tristan. It's 99% about car stuff and it will remain 99% about car stuff. However, I've been doing a few videos recently about my time as a car salesman. So I'm looking for some ideas from you guys on stories you want to hear about selling cars, things you want to know about selling cars, and I'll make a couple of videos about that. I also want to do, and I've been thinking about this for about a year since I've lived here for about 18 months, a video about Melbourne versus Sydney or Sydney versus Melbourne. And obviously I'll be comparing things like the traffic, the house prices, the weather, the language, the food, all those types of things, the roads. I will not be mentioning politics or anything to do with Corona because this video is going to go on YouTube and hopefully it's going to be relevant for many years to come. So I'm not going to mention any of that stuff. So don't get me started on that. But if anyone has any examples, New South Wales sport versus Melbourne sport, the AFL and the rugby league, all that sort of stuff. If anyone has any examples or things they'd want to see in a video or compared Sydney and Melbourne in, please let me know in the comments below, and hopefully shortly I'll make a video for YouTube about it. I've got plenty of ideas of my own, but I'm no expert on every suburb in Sydney. I'm no expert on every suburb in Melbourne. So any suggestions you guys might add would really be appreciative. So drop them down below. Anything you want to know about car sales, drop it in the comments below and I'll make a video on that. I will be getting back to the regular content this weekend as I have some new parts or some new tools have arrived, so I can get back to working on cars in the garage. So you'll see more of that soon. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Turbo Tristan on YouTube. Yeah. Thanks again for listening. See ya.